Nice that you take the time to watch this video and learn more about the XFusion project and its possibilities. Short disclaimer: this is not financial advice. We are merely giving you an insight into our project. XFusion is a platform with multiple options related to finance and digital assets. For beginners, there is a copy trading portal at Tagmarkets, where trades are automatically executed by professional traders. For those who want to trade more actively, there is also a signal service as well as education programs to better understand the financial markets. In addition, there are other digital tools such as the decentralized crypto debit card BIX, with an integrated crypto wallet, banking functions and on and off ramp via SEPA and IBAN. Everything is combined in one app, complemented by the new cryptocurrency exchange Bit1. To access the largest financial market in the world, you need a broker, a mediator between you and the market. This is where Tagmarkets comes into play. The broker was founded over 2 years ago, is licensed and regulated in Mauritius, and has since experienced extremely strong growth. Currently, Tagmarkets has over 650,000 users worldwide and has been recognized as one of the fastest growing brokers. What makes Tagmarkets special? Through technological innovation and over 70 liquidity providers in the background, our community can be offered a special tool, so-called leveraged capital. This means your deposited capital can currently be leveraged up to 24 times. For example, if you invest $1,000 and let that capital work in the market through our copy trading system, we are talking, based on past results, about approximately 1% return per month with our current risk management. With $1,000, that would be about $10 profit per month. And I know some might think $10 doesn't sound particularly exciting. This is exactly where the capital leverage comes into play. Through day markets, your deposited capital is currently amplified up to 24 times. This means $1,000 becomes $24,000 in trading volume. If we again calculate with about 1% return, that corresponds to approximately $240 per month. So the strategy remains the same, but due to the larger trading volume, significantly higher results are achieved. And that's exactly why large institutional investors make the biggest profits. They have access to much more capital. And we also provide this opportunity to private investors in our system. On the CopyX platform from Tagmarkets, over 50 different trading strategies are available. With just one click, you can follow a strategy and automatically participate in the results. In copy trading, your account is connected to an experienced trader. They trade on a master account, and all trades are automatically mirrored to your own account. This allows even people without their own trading experience to participate in the Forex market, fully automated. These strategies are of course a large selection. Currently, we particularly recommend 2 strategies, NeoFX and Sonic. We have been monitoring the NeoFX trader team for over 2 years and are in close contact with the responsible traders. Additionally, there is another very strong and rapidly growing strategy with Sonic on day markets. As a customer, you can freely decide whether to choose one strategy or to distribute your capital across multiple strategies for further diversification. In Forex trading, the most important thing is not to achieve maximum profits, but to control losses. Many traders today focus too much on high profits and neglect the risk. This often leads to significant losses or even total losses. Exactly this is avoided with our strategy. The Neo FX trading team consciously focuses on only one currency pair, Euro US dollar. A maximum of one trade is conducted per day, 5 days a week. The risk per trade is only about 0.3% to a maximum of 1% of the total capital. Each trade has clear rules from the beginning, a clearly defined point for taking profits, and a clearly set stop loss if the market moves in the opposite direction. Through this structured and disciplined strategy, losses are kept small and steady, capital growth is enabled. Because wealth building is not a sprint but a marathon. And exactly for this purpose, strategies and tools are used here, just as they are employed in the professional financial world. When profits are generated, they are distributed accordingly. 70% of the earned profits remain with the customer, while the remaining 30% flow into corresponding performance pools as a so-called profit share. The great advantage is everything is completely transparent and can be tracked at any time through the broker as well as in the personal back office. Another important point is transparency. For the Neo FX strategy, we provide the complete performance through MyXbook. There, every single trade can be analyzed in detail. This way, it is fully transparent to see what results the trading team has achieved since March 2025. Currently, the overall performance is around 36% return since October 23, 2025. Additionally, all profit and loss data, as well as all trading statistics, are available for viewing. A particularly interesting point is the hit rate. Out of 76 trading days, and Neo opens a maximum of one trade per day, there were 67 winning trades and only 9 losing trades. This corresponds to a win rate of about 88%. According to MyXbook, the monthly performance has typically been between about 1% and just under 5% growth per month. It is important to note, these percentage values always refer to the total trading capital. Another central risk criterion is the so-called maximum drawdown, which is the largest short-term loss within a trade. And for Neo, this has not even been at 1% so far. Of course, it also applies here. Past results are not a guarantee of future profits, but they clearly show how disciplined and professional the trading team operates. For people who want to take a bit more personal responsibility in trading, there is also the option to use exclusive trading signals, also with a 12-fold capital leverage. The time commitment is only 2 to 3 minutes per day. Through a Telegram channel, you will receive regular market updates and clear trading signals, when a trade is opened, when profits should be taken, and when a trade may be closed. You retain full control over risk, timing, and position size, but are simultaneously guided by clear signals and information. This way, you are not alone in the market, but you have significantly more influence over your own decisions. And that is exactly our goal, to truly show people that they can take responsibility for their capital themselves and diversify their investments more broadly. It's exactly what makes the system so interesting. There are no subscriptions and no monthly costs. Everything is completely transparent. Through a central dashboard, you have access to all areas: broker, signals, exchange, cards, CopyX, and training. The system is largely automated and can be easily integrated into everyday life. Your capital can thus start working in the market from day one. How do you get started? It's very simple. You receive a registration link. Register with XFusion and Tagmarkets. Activate your account, and then you can deposit via bank transfer, credit card, or cryptocurrencies. Currently, there is a promotion with 24 times trading volume. This means a $1,000 deposit corresponds to $24,000 in trading volume. Outside of this promotion, the capital boost is still 12 times. You have now received all the important information in a short time to get an initial picture. Often it is no longer about whether to start, but rather about what capital you want to begin with. To ensure you understand everything clearly, we also offer a personal strategy session. There, someone from our team will show you step by step how to set up your account and start optimally. If you want to learn more, just contact the person who sent you this video or use the link below the video. Maybe you will soon be a part of this strategy yourself.